Scotty, what's happening?
Finally got the proper parts in.
Yeah, they sent us the wrong tie rod sleeves, so I ordered them in. They're here. So yesterday, Scotty just kind of was mocking up.
I was what?
You're mocking it up. But you're finalizing everything right now. Everything's getting finished up.
Yep.
And then this baby will be ready to roll back out until the next time. The next round of fun and games.
I've never. Yes, I have.
Don't tell me you're getting overexerted because you're lying.
Yeah, no, I can't say that. At least not right now.
Yeah. Of course, we'll align this beast when the engine's back and ready to rock. Are you in the right side, Scotty? No.
Yeah, I'm on the right side.
No.
Yeah, I'm on the right side.
Okay. How come that taper's not staying? Because you're on the wrong side?
It doesn't go in from the top. It goes in from the bottom.
You like going in bottoms.
I do, but that's not the point. Why is that doing that?
Because you're going in the wrong side. I rest on your face. I rest my case. Is that spindle fucked up?
Not that I'm aware of.
Are you?
No, I pulled it out. I had everything set yesterday.
You pulled out?
Oh, that's why.
You're blind? There it goes.
I'm like, I know I'm doing this right. I've done it a million times.
And that's not including cars.
Yeah, this is true. Okay, so I think...
Horror!
Step back a minute.
That's fucking towed in like a sumbitch on that side. Doesn't really matter.
So I want to get it close.
Well, once you put the motor in, it ain't gonna be close anyway, so. Good enough. That's fine right there. Scotty, it's gonna be fine because we have to actually align it when the engine's in, so. We're just getting it close to roll it out, but it looks good. You button it up. Button it up. Get everything where it needs to be. Remember to put your... I thought you had those pointing down like the other side. Yeah, that works, I guess. Pretty. Looking good. Maybe... I'll have a little combo. Maybe we'll... You know what we'll do? Because it's already on the lift. Let's finish up the engine bay and kind of finish tidying up in there.
Yeah, I can do that.
And booster master and start running brake lines, hard lines. Because we're waiting on the... I haven't gotten the confirmation that it's in. So there's no sense in going to pick that up.
Yeah.
Because they haven't sent me the confirmation for the booster for that. So I'd say keep digging on this.
Okay, I can do that.
Why not? Look at you. So if we're going to get it close, it's going to look good. Let's also finalize these too, probably. Just got to put the pins in them.
Did I not put pins in those?
Not the radio stars don't have pins. Remember they're sitting there on the chalk
Oh, yeah,
rack.
that's right. I forgot. So we had to...
Yeah, so just crank those down a little bit. And
Yep.
pins in.
Give them a little snuggy snud.
For now. I like to go pretty aggressive with those anyways for caster.
Yeah.
So everybody goes, yeah. I'm like, oh yeah, then the car turns better, and then you don't cry about how I do it. Because it won't eat your tires. It'll help you. Do you want the car to handle, or do you want the car to get you in an accident?
Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
You float like a something.
Mm-hmm.
You've been doing a lot of stinging. Oh, Jesus.
Yep.
Then we could probably take this AC condenser out of here too, because we're gonna need to definitely rework or replace that. So let's get that out.
Oh, come on. Some soap and water, it'll be perfect.
Right, yeah. So
And make sure that people can see how perfect that's going to look when I wash it.
Oh yeah, that thing's in excellent shape. Sorry, Scotty, I should have never questioned it. So, yeah, let's get that out too while we're at it.
Okay.
And he has a new grill, right?
Yes.
So you want to pull that one and just have it out so it's out of our hair?
I can do that. I mean, I don't want to throw it away. I mean,
Well, no, but it's out of our hair, and it'll make getting this out easier. And
oh
it'll
yeah,
make a
that's
lot
not
of
a problem.
things.
So
yeah,
we
let's
can keep ourselves busy. And
let's keep things going, and let's do things that'll make things easier down the road.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
we can finish the top of the frame here, the cross member needs to be shot and everything, and go up in there.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out why did we stop that day?
Because we had to move the car.
Oh, that's right. We had something else because we were running out of.
We ran out of shit to do.
Yeah.
But now we have a bunch of stuff to do, so we can keep going on it,
Yeah.
which is fine.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, yeah. So just
Right,
keep
so-
digging until I get the call or email for that thing's master. Just keep digging on this because it's already on the lift.
Yeah, exactly. So there's nothing to really move around.
Crank it out. All right, looking good.
And on that note, people, peace.